Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to storm watch of the mega typhoon Ragasa. Look at this. I've never seen water getting so close to here. This is absolutely insane. The ocean is furious. They should call it Typhoon Ragazzi. Sounds better than Ragasa. 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 I don't know what that is. But lots of you asked me about the mega typhoon, which is currently around Hong Kong, which does not feel like it's very close because it's a 1.5 hour flight or something. It's far away, but the ocean I haven't seen so rough in a long time. I highly doubt you can even surf here. There are huge, maybe 4 meters waves, maybe 5 meter waves over there. It's absolutely furious. It's huge. The water gets close so crazy. It is very dangerous to go in the water now. If you're not a good swimmer, you will most likely get sucked out and sayonara. Definitely, very strong. And at some point here of the ocean you can get ripped out. And since it's such a mess over there, you could not even see a head, or you could not see someone who's waving or anything like that. So no one will come to rescue you. Don't go to the water. But it looks very nice from outside here. And if you don't go in the water, this is a very nice time to walk around here. I really like it. It did not rain yet today, but it is cloudy. And the mega typhoon should not have any impact on Da Nang because it's all in the north. But of course, the ocean, you feel something crazy happening in the ocean at the moment. At this time, the mega typhoon should be around Hong Kong or Macau. Yeah, I hope it's not that bad. Those mega typhoons, of course, can at any time come to Da Nang as well, which happened in the past, because it's also the typhoon season right now. They usually start around Philippines area, go over the Philippines and then make their way slowly towards the East Vietnamese Sea, and yeah, either way coming here or coming to the north, usually. I don't know about many storms that go hardly south, so I could imagine it is perfect weather in Nha Trang, but let me know in the comments if you're living in Nha Trang, how the weather is today there. I think it's all good. Some people are in the water. As long as they stay there, it's still. I think I've seen some terrible videos when you just play around there and then you get sucked out. So it's not wise to do so. I also don't see any lifeguards at the moment. Not sure where they are. I don't know. We'll see. Over there should be the lifeguard. The problem is, if you see red flags here, the red flags are always there. So you don't know if it's really, can you go out or not. So over here, it doesn't look that bad. On this side of the beach. So this side is definitely super rough. Going further north is okay, to be honest. Maybe not that bad. So it always depends also which part of the ocean. But yeah, as you can see here, the storm last night most likely was here until in the morning, and all the way here, the water got. This is crazy. Now you can see perfectly how far the water was coming last night. It is very humid. There also could be a sign, also it could rain hardcore today. Hopefully not though. But yeah, it's still super hot. It's very sticky and it feels like there's a humid wall on you, or like, yeah. wraps around your body. Yesterday I did a live stream. You can check it out also. 2-hour live stream. We did a nice little walk all the way north and through some nice little alleys. And I also met Anthony. Anthony, shout out to Anthony. Happy birthday, Anthony. It's his birthday today. Met him today as well for coffee. And yeah, be careful when it starts heavily pouring down. Hoi An might be not the best idea. At the beginning it's okay, but if it rains for 2 to 3 days in a row, usually Hoi An has bad flooding around the old town. It also flooded in the rice fields, but it disappears quick. Anbang Beach, I don't know how it is there, probably also better. Just don't be close to the river. Yeah, people still relaxing, enjoying their time. I can see 0 surfers out there. I think it's just too messy. It's too messy to surf at the moment. Even though there are some fantastic waves in the back, but I think they have to be a professional or have some support with jet skis or something. Maybe, not sure. But there's no surfer out there. But some of those waves, they look so good. But they're all in the back. That also means it's very, it's not that deep, the water over there. They're breaking so early. And then they're breaking a few more times. Yeah, the low season has officially started. If we are lucky, the storm just moves on, goes to the north and maybe gets weakened. Hopefully it weakened out before it reaches mainland or anything like that. Yeah, but as of now, the mega typhoon is not coming here. But you never know what kind of typhoons are coming still. It's still the start of the season, so. Typhoons are usually not that dangerous in cities like this if you have a proper housing, if you have, if you don't live on the ground floor. It's usually the water and the areas where it's flooding, that's very bad then. Or in the rural areas, if it goes through that, it's very bad. But here, for example, if you're in one of those big hotels, you will not feel anything. Maybe it shakes. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think those big ones are shaking that bad. My apartment was shaking one time for like 5 minutes, but just a little bit of wiggle. But someone asked me also about here, the construction. They are working. They are working on it. But it's not super loud, but okay, now I hear some, they are working on it. So between Hoi An and Rosamia is a construction site. I don't know when they are starting and stopping. I highly doubt they start early because they know there are like hotels right there. I know the hotels give out earbuds, but it's also very annoying to sleep with earbuds, right? I can see one surfer guy there. Maybe I should follow him. I want to see what he's doing with his surfboard. There's one surfer out there. If he makes it to all the way in the back, he's gonna have a very nice waves. Look at this, the water gets all the way here. Oh boy, I don't think it's a smart idea. But maybe he's one of the surf teachers. If you're an experienced surfer, that should be no problem. You probably did way worse than this. But if you're not, stay away, guys. I also don't know, there's a lifeguard here walking, patrolling and whistling people in. gonna ask him. How is the surf? Huh?
Not good.
Not good? All right. Okay. It's not good. You can see few surfers over there trying to get in, but don't make it. The surfer here got ripped all the way to the left now. That's crazy. That's crazy. He got ripped all the way to the left. Oh boy, now he got just wiped out. Yeah. So there is a strong rip current, I think. I hope we will not have any kind of news about some friendly guys here at the Paradise Beach Club. Yeah. But the surfer who went into the ocean like 50 to 100 meters on the right side got ripped all the way to the left. And I really don't know how you want to make it out here. I mean, that is very bad. But he doesn't look like he wants to go back. He wants to go into the waves. He wants to hit the big waves in the back. But yeah, he gets rips out all the whole, like he got, just look at this. He started here and the waves pushed him all the way to the left. He's still trying to get in. He wants to get the sweet spot all the way in the back. Those are beautiful waves there, but it's really tough to get over there. And I don't know how he wants to get back. But let me know in the comments, all surfers. Is it wise to go there and hit the sweet spot in the back with the very high waves? Or is it not a good idea? So he definitely cannot go back where he was, because he's drained now all the way to the left more. So he has probably to go all the way with the flow to the left. And then there, he's back on track. If he just would do nothing, he would just go there and would be back around there. So it's okay. I don't think it's that dangerous. You don't get ripped out at the moment. All right. Weatherman Sammy on duty here. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll always have you up to date in Da Nang or wherever I'm there. There's a photo shoot going on with a storm. All right. Usually it's always the man who has to do the photos, right? But if you don't have one, you gotta use your friend. Some people are playing volleyball. No, that's not a volleyball. But yeah, I feel it's still nice. So the surfer is all the way there now. The waves are not that bad. He could just walk out now, literally. So the current is so strong, pushing him all the way there, and then he will be out if he wants to. He still wants to make it all the way to the back. I can understand. Those waves in the back, those are like dream waves, I feel like. Some of them I saw you could ride for long. All right, guys, that's it. That's it for the Stormwatch Semi. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this video here, and see you in the next vlog.